Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay when buying apps, games or subscription in the App Store. Let's get started. First, you need to set up Apple Pay. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. If you haven't added a card yet, tap Add Card, then scan your debit or credit card. Once your bank approves it, Apple Pay is ready. Now open the App Store and find the game or subscription you want. Tap the price button or the get button. It will ask you how you would like to pay. When the payment screen pops up, select Apple Pay as your payment method. If it's already your default, it will appear automatically. You will see your card and total price right there on the screen. To finish, just confirm the purchase with the Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Once approved, your app starts downloading immediately and your payment goes through Apple Pay. And that's it. That's how you use Apple Pay when buying apps, game or subscription in the App Store. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.